Welcome to the 10 best InDesign brochure templates. These are a quick and stylish way to produce your very own informational brochures on any topic. Each template has its own unique design, but all share bold styling to help you make the best first impression possible. Plus, stay tuned to the end for a quick shortcut to build your own brochures using amazing flyer templates with no apps needed at all. Product 4P brochure is especially useful for business content. With 4 total pages, it's easy to add in your own content thanks to the easy placeholders. And the column text layouts make sure you can pack a big message into a small space. In need of a lengthier brochure design, Creative Brochure Template Volume 16 is right for you with a full 12 pages inside. The colors are print ready and all features can be customized in a flash. Brochure Portfolio includes 20 pages with tons of room for images, charts, and more. It's built to help you make a visual offering in style, but it's also flexible enough to support virtually any type of content, so you can easily adapt it to all of your project needs. Trying to make your next flyer stand out? Well, do it with the JULIAN Brochure Square, a compelling cube layout. It's really built to have a professional layout with a table of contents to direct readers to specific content. When you think of a brochure, you might picture the classic 3-panel layout. Build one of your own with this elegant TRIFOLD brochure. Whether introducing your business, selling a property, or raising money, your message or course will look its best with this designer layout. Brown Stylish Brochure has a sleek design to bring text to life. It's made to contrast your words and make your message really stand out. Print right out of the app or save it to a PDF for digital sharing. Just as the name suggests, Geometric Brochure uses funky shapes to style all of your text and images. With 24 pages in total, you can build in as much detail as you want. Free fonts with bold designs are used throughout. By using elements from the natural world, Botanical TRIFOLD Brochure delivers an earthy and warm vibe to your flyer project. It allows you to quickly build handout-sized leaflets on any subject you can imagine. Aptly named and packed full of professional style options, Corporate Brochure Template is the ideal choice for your business. Every layer is fully editable, and you can add or remove your own content with just a few clicks. Paragraph styling offers plenty of room for text. TRIFOLD Brochure is a straightforward layout that you can use for anything. In total, 2 pages of content can be featured on the front and back. The layouts are completely customizable, freeing you to add as much or as little detail as you want. Want to build amazing brochures of your own, but don't have access to an app like InDesign? Well, try out Place It from Envato, which features these beautiful custom flyer templates. Simply choose one that fits your project needs, and then customize it right inside of your web browser. No custom software is required at all. This lets you build stunning brochures on any topic from any web browser. What are you going to feature in your next brochure? Drop us a note in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Envato Touch Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find countless videos showing off more unique templates, how-to tutorials, and so much more. Thanks for watching.